They climb up the fire escape, man.
You know, to start to a great day when this is the only tool you need for your first job. Bit of context, there's a 2-pipe steam system with unit heaters in each suite that run off of vaporstats. Some of the units are overheating and some are taking too long to heat. So I'm just going through and, you know, adjusting it up or down to when the unit will kick in. And of course, doing this, now other people are going to complain, so this is just going to be one big giant balancing act. I also committed 2 cardinal sins of HVAC, and it's not even, you can't see what time it is. First cardinal sin was when I got here, I said, this should be an easy job, or something like that. Never put that out into the universe. Second, I asked one of the workers if they felt like the heat was getting better. If you ask 10 people their opinion, you're gonna get 12 different answers. I gotta get over there. Oh, that's a lovely sight. It's one of these somewhere. It's actually not one of these. I'm in the wrong basement. I think I might be able to make it through here. This one's no better. All right, we got flame loss. Before I do anything related to the boiler, there's one thing I'm gonna check first. Let's make sure that they paid their bill. Yep, bill is paid. Not putting that on the ground. All right, we lit off. It's odd. Ooh, that does not sound good. Seriously? All right, ramp it up. See if it starts fluttering again. Going out hot, coming back hot. Raccoons don't get in the basement?
No, they climb up the fire escape, man. I seen a raccoon climb the brick wall, put his hands in the mortar, and went straight to the roof.
No way.
That's the way.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's a Jersey City raccoon for you. This one. Go a little pressure off. Nah, just based on, like, there's water all the way around the thing. It's leaking somewhere. Right. So, yeah, I'm just gonna shut it down. We're gonna swap it out. All right, for some reason on this setup, it always gets plugged up. So I just gotta back flush it and get all the sediment out.
Professional.
Oh, very professional. Yep, nobody could do that but me. Keys are jamming it. Well, that was stupid. Now I gotta get gloves. Goes to show how secure these are. Pump's leaking. My pores have never felt so good. All right, looking good. A little crooked, but then again, so is the government. I could not get the plug out for the air bleeder, so it's just gonna have to stay closed, but it is what it is. So far I'm doing pretty good. I got one more stop to make and I haven't made any cardinal sins since this morning. Bad motor. All right, well, not gonna be able to pick the blower up this late in the day. Not like I really want to. Surprisingly, I did not break a third cardinal sin. And the one I break probably the most out of every HVAC cardinal sin is this late in the day, call my boss and ask him if he's got anything else. So this is where we're gonna end it for today. Let me know down in the comments below, what is the worst cardinal sin in HVAC that you could break? And I'll catch you in the morning in the next boiler room.